Hi, I'm Raul with Manhattan Products, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your home office with some of our great products. We're going to go from this to this. So let's get started. When you're setting up your home office, you're going to need essential items such as a USB-C docking station hub. With this hub, you can increase your productivity with its 3 USB ports, 2 slots for SD and micro SD cards, a gigabit RJ45 port that provides the wired network connection that's missing in most Ultrabooks and MacBooks. This hub has multi-stream technology, allowing you to multitask on up to 3 monitors since it includes an HDMI port, a display port, and a VGA port. For that extra monitor, you're going to need a monitor mount. This monitor mount uses gas springs to hold your monitor, so only the lightest touch is needed to move your screen to the best viewing angle for you. This monitor mount lets you take advantage of the extra range of movement so you can have more space to get work done. Next up, this wireless keyboard and optical mouse set is designed to boost your productivity and to work seamlessly with your current computing setup. The wireless keyboard offers a robust key structure, highly responsive keys, and a full-size numeric keypad. The wireless optical mouse has adjustable 800, 1200, and 1600 DPI, standard buttons for left and right clicks, plus an easy access scroll wheel. And it only uses one Bluetooth USB dongle for both the keyboard and mouse. And for that optical mouse, we're going to need a mouse pad. This mouse pad has a soft raised area that uses a gel material to support your wrist and prevent fatigue. It has a non-slip base, and the pad itself protects your desk surface so you don't scratch it when you move your mouse. This mouse pad provides the comfort and support you need to work and play better. And for something useful, this Manhattan Stereo headset. This Manhattan Stereo headset delivers classic styling and modern audio performance. Its flexible metal boom mic provides clear, quality performance for hands-free online communications, and the microphone cover helps reduce pop and distortion for clear voice communication. The fully padded ear cushions, single headband, and inner sling adjust to fit almost anywhere. Keypad. A wireless numeric keypad enhances any notebook computing experience, especially when inputting important numeric data. This ultra-slim keypad has a full-size 18-key layout, and the membrane key switch technology reduces typing noise and provides low-profile keystrokes for fast and accurate data entry. Power supply. With this power supply charger, it can charge 2 different devices at the same time. The charger's attached USB-C cable uses power delivery technology to provide plenty of power to laptops and mobile phones. And the additional USB-A port can quickly charge any handheld device or tablet. And since we should always keep a clean screen, this spray cleaner helps clean and remove dirt, fingerprints, and smudges from most LCD surfaces, making it ideal for use with flat panel displays, televisions, notebook computers, and other electronics. It helps restore and maintain screen brightness and clarity. And finally, an air duster. This air duster gently removes dust and debris from keyboards, fans, power supply units, or any other sensitive electronics without any scratching or residue. Well, there you have it. I hope you found this video useful with setting up your home office, and with these great products from Manhattan, they should help your home office run smoothly and efficiently. And don't forget, with Manhattan products, life just got easier.